Alright, guys. So we are live. Um, Good evening, everyone. Okay. Um, Welcome to Creative Coder Jed's um, environment. Right. Um, I guess everyone that is here was invited by a link or by a channel. Alright. Okay. So before we start, we shared a link for us to use. So I will still share it. So if you have not sorry, if you have not joined the Discord channel, kindly do so. Kindly do so. You need to join the channel fast. So we are dropping all the channels there, all the links. All right. So we'll be using we have three links that we are using for now. Okay. So this is the YouTube link already. We are connected to. So we'll be using Slido for our communications. We'll be using Slido for our communications. So rush and visit it. That's when you ask your questions, live questions. We will not take any question from YouTube Live, so it will be from Slido. All the polls will be from Slido. All right. So the Discord channel is this. We have set it already. Please visit the Discord channel right ahead. Right ahead. All right. So I'm expecting okay. I'm expecting a if you have joined, can you just raise your hand up? Thumbs up for people that have joined. Okay, so we're waiting for people that have joined. If you have joined, can you just raise your hand up? Raise your hand up. Thumbs up. Let's know people that have joined. Okay, if you have joined, kindly raise your hand up. Give a thumbs up. Give a thumbs up. Give a thumbs up. Guys, do that. Do that. Let's do that fast. Uh, all right. All right. So, how many of us have joined? How many of us have joined? Can we see the live chat? Okay, the live chat. Can we see the live chat? If you have joined, okay, we can still see that some people are offline. Some people are still offline. Alright. So if you have joined, please kindly raise your hand up. Thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up. If you have joined, kindly raise your hand up. We are live already. We are live. We are live already. Kindly join. Kindly join. Alright. Okay. Okay. Alright. So we are welcome to CreativeCoderJed and live coding classes. To be an interactive session, but for now we'll start off. So all our instructions will be in Slido for the live lesson. All our instructions. So we have sent the link for the Slido. So pick them here. This is the Slido link. Click it, and you can ask your questions. And for your questions, you can upvote it or downvote it in your own end. If you see two hands, this should be upvote. The one down should be downvote. So if you want your question to show on top, you should use the upvote. If you don't want the question, use downvote, but don't downvote somebody's question. it does not relate to you. I'll just ask a question that someone have asked before. So let's use the Slido for our questions. Some polls will be coming up very soon. So please guys, if you have joined, raise your hand up. Thumbs up, thumbs up. Alright, okay. Alright, so we'll be starting with our introduction here. So the program is meant for 3 people. So if you are in these 3 categories, you are highly welcome. We talk about full stack developers, people that want to get into full stack software development, want to learn how to build dynamic software from scratch. So we are covering both front end technologies and back end technologies of stacks. So we are covering those both from the front end down to the back end. All right. So we talk about guys that want to learn data analysis. So we're going to master data analysis. Um, you are welcome in this course. So for digital marketers, people that want to learn digital marketing, you want to know how to run campaigns, you want to know how to do SEO optimizations, brand labeling, you want to know how to do Facebook ads, business ads, you want to know how to automate um, marketing. So you are really, really welcome. You are really, really welcome. So why did you join us? What you're going to gain as you have joined us? Number one is hands-on learning. So you're going to code alongside us in real time and apply what you have learned immediately. So we are not giving you something that we have not into. It's hands-on learning. You code with us. That's why we have talked about the Discord channels. So I will later go to the Discord and give overview of the Discord. Okay. So live question and answers. So there will be you to ask questions, you get instant feedbacks, and we also have interaction in the community. So that will be in the Slido. So we talk about Slido today. All right, skill growth. We'll talk about skill growth. So whether you're a beginner or looking to enhance your skills, the class is for you. Whether you're a beginner, somebody that is a newbie, you have not even touched it, you don't know what coding is all about, you don't know what digital marketing is all about, don't know what data analysis is all about, just hear them. Okay, so this class is for you. You are into it already, you want to brush up, this class is also for you. All right. So the rules of engagement, the rules of engagement are active participation. So these guys, can we give in our introduction, can we give introductions here? Okay, in the Discord channel, please, if you're around, click on the Discord channel and introduce yourself. Just introduce yourself. Just introduce yourself. Okay, so let's introduce ourselves here, please. If you are around, introduce yourself. All right. Okay, so please let's introduce ourselves. Let's introduce ourselves. Introduce yourselves. All right. Okay, so like we were talking about the rules of engagement, we are saying active participation is required. So it's a private class, we call it free also, we know, but participation is very, very key. Some of us do not get this opportunity. We are giving it out as our CSR. So if you're idle in Discord server, our bot will automatically remove you. So you'll be removed if you are idle. So you make sure that you engage in everything you are doing. You must engage, you must engage. So please, no dull moment. Be proactive in discussions, ask questions, engage in the coding challenges. So very, very important. Active participation is required. All right. GitHub for projects. So for the course of this program, all our projects will be done on GitHub. Sorry. So we have an account on GitHub. can see this account. So later we'll talk about this account on how to create yours. So the account is CreativeCoderJed students. You are going to join that account, that repo, sorry, and then I'll tell you what to do next. So all class projects will be hosted on GitHub. You will create your branch. So you're going to create your branch. If you check the GitHub, when you go to the GitHub, the README specified how to create a branch. So if you come here, this is how to create a branch. So you don't need to use this code. You're going to create it manually. So when you come here, you're going to see all branches. So when you view all branches, you can have the opportunity to create. So you search for that. So you can see new branch. Click on new branch. But we have the pattern to do it. For now, we have two branches. This is my personal one, and this is the main. So for the main, nobody has access to it except the admin. So for this one is personal, so that I can show you how to create it also. All right. So you create your. So the pattern there is you're going to use this pattern. So if you're into software development, you're going to write your one of your names. So you can see software Solomon software development. If you're into data analysis, Solomon data analysis. You are into digital marketing, Solomon digital marketing. If you're into all, Solomon all. If you're into two, you put it the same thing, Solomon digital marketing um, data analysis. If you're into two, so you read the GitHub readme, read it up and see what to do. So when you come, look for this CreativeCoderJed students. So that's where you're going to create your branch. All right. So guys, we started sending in our okay, 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 okay. All right. So let's continue. All right. So that's how we do the project. It's expected to create an account immediately with a branch name as designed for the class. Then we start working um, on projects that we have at hand. So ensure that you regularly update your contributions on GitHub. So in GitHub, there are various code checkers. So the marking will be done by the code checkers, and if you copy or do any thing funny, we will detect it and flag it off. So please, 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 please. One thing in this program is that something that you want to use and go, so you avoid cheating and cheating yourself. So ensure that you learn it and learn how to do it very well. Very, very important. So that is for the GitHub. I'm going to talk about the GitHub later though. So we have the Discord channel. So the Discord channel is where all our communications will be carried out. All communications will be carried out in the Discord channel, the server, sorry. So in the server, it's called CreativeCoderJed. The invite has been sent to everyone. So if you check the announcement group, it's also there. So we have sent it. The Discord channel is there. So you click on it. So you can send it to other people to join. Right? Okay. So share with your friends, share with your brothers and sisters, colleagues. Okay. So this is Discord channel for communication. Our server is divided into separate channels, and you can see it's very, very organized. So we have introduction. This is where you introduce yourself. So you come here, you introduce yourself. I use your country. Logo. Very, very good. Very, very good. Okay. All right. All right. So we have the announcement. So please, in this announcement, though when you enter, you don't even have access to this announcement like to write it. So please, if you have access to it, please don't use it negatively. It's just for announcement. So we don't put anything in it. Just for the admins to use it for announcement. So this is where we pass announcement. So if you come, this is the place you should come in and check. So we have okay. Let me maybe later. Let's finish this. We can come back to this. Right. So we have various for the three programs. We have different channels for them. So we have for the software developers, though they have more. They have full stack. They have front end and back end. Though these two are like separating interest, but majority of the codes or the work we're doing will be here. So for this to just to separate interest whatever we are doing, but almost all the codes or anything we are doing will be here. So we have for the data analyst, is there. We have for the data marketer, is there. Okay. So we have for this. So this is for our projects. So these are the projects we do. So the students don't have access to even the admin. So we will be posting all the projects here. And when we post it, we will use the tags. So you can see there are various tags here. So various tags. So the projects, we said our projects will be done through GitHub. So when we post the project, we'll call the name of the group. Then we'll post it in the group also that has that project, and they can do the project. Alright. So you must ensure that you also come here to check projects on daily basis. So we have connected this group, this channel, GitHub Collabo. So this is a webbook channel. So what it does is that whenever you submit your assignment here or whatever you do on your GitHub, we receive the webbook events here. So you can see these are some webbook events automated by the caused by the admins. So as they are working, they are getting the webbook. So even though you are a student also, as you are working, when you submit, you also get the webbook here. Whatever you do in your GitHub, you will get the webbook here. So please ensure that you use your GitHub video because it's getting the webbook. So don't give us too much webbook events. So here is not for you to come and type, it's just for webbook events, for us to monitor and track what students are doing. Alright, so that's this channel. So we're talking about software developers, you have 1, 2, and 3. For the digital marketers, you have this. For the digital analyst guys, you have this. So for everybody, this is where your projects will be. So the projects will be here. Okay, like we have said. So full stack guys is yours. The data analyst is yours. The digital marketers, this is yours too. Alright. Okay. So can we start getting questions? Can we start getting questions? Okay. Can we start getting questions? So we have said it in the announcement. You check, we dropped this. We dropped this. So these are the links for you to join. These are the links for you to join. Alright. So this is the YouTube link we are using for now. This is the slide link where you'll be asking questions. So you'll be asking questions here. Alright. So please use the slider for questions. These are Discord channel already. So these are our GitHub. So we have this form here. I'll place it here. So you fill it up so that we can add you in this GitHub repository. So if you're not here, we don't have to add you. So you just fill the form. Just click on this form, put in your email. That's all. That's all you need. Just fill it up, fill the form up. When you click on it, the link, you just have to fill your details. Just have to fill your details. Just have to fill your details. Yeah. All right. Okay. Okay. So let's go back to what we are talking about. So that's about the Discord channel. Okay. So the introduction is there. So introduce yourself. Okay. Stay updated. Stay updated. So you always check announcement channel regularly for news, class schedules, assignments. So you missing your updates may result in loss of opportunities for projects and feedback. Alright. So even though you have a backup video, but the project will have deadlines. So respect for diversity, please. So what's the rules and the regulations? The rules and the regulations. We respect the rules here. All We have different continents that have joined, Africa, Asia, America, Europe, everyone. So please no spam or off-topic discussions. Anything that is off what we are doing, please take it to another place, not for this place, not for this place, please. Um, our Discover and GitHub best practices: use proper code formatting and trust on sharing your snippets. Whether your code, we have said that we have some bots here that will ensure that the codes, you can see one here, this is Codacy. So Codacy is here. We are using Codacy. Um, so if your code does not pass Codacy, that means it will not be matched. So when you submit your code to us or your work, Codacy will check it out. Codacy will have to check it out. All right. Okay. So okay. Okay. Um, Library of GitHub contribution is very important. Time management. So assignments will have deadlines as we have said. It will have deadlines. So please submit on time to avoid flag off. So respect question and answer sessions. Respect question and answer sessions during live classes as we have said. So yeah, the Slido. Who is up? Who is up? Who is up? Who is up? Okay. So these are this should have answered the question here already. So that's why it's like this. So when you open yours, it should not be like this. So you fill in your details. You fill in your details. So please rightly do that. Rightly do that. Okay. Okay. So we're waiting for your questions. We're waiting for your questions. We're waiting for your questions. All right. Okay. All right. Collaboration is key. Collaboration is key. Very, very important. Collaboration is key. So teamwork is highly encouraged. But collaborate on projects, provide peer reviews, and help each other grow, but avoid cheating. So please, your collaboration is not going to ask someone to write a code for you or write a project for you and submit. No, please, not advisable. Ensure you do it yourself. So you must learn how to do work yourself. Learn how to do work yourself. Learn how to do work yourself. Very, very important. So please, collaboration is key to us. All right. Collaboration is very, very important, but avoid cheating. Avoid cheating. Please and please, it's not allowed. It's not allowed. Okay. All right. Um, we're still waiting for thumbs up. We're still waiting for. We're still waiting for thumbs up. Okay. Somebody, Cristiano is saying the video is blocked from his end. I think it's your device. It's not blocked from my end. Is your device? Check. It should be your device. It should be your device. So um, it's not blood from my end. Can you use the Slido and raise that up? Use the Slido and raise that up, or the Discord channel. Okay, can accept that. So that should be done in the peer-to-peer groups for the chatting, not here, please. So you should do that somewhere here, somewhere here. All right. So maybe we use um talk advanced meetup. Okay, beginner meetup. Okay, so let's use beginner meetup. Let's use beginner meetup. We can use this. So please let's not abuse this channel up here. All right. Okay. So like we have said. Okay. So let's talk a bit about the Discord channel again. So like we said, this is introduction. When you join, you see this channel. You're allowed here. So you introduce yourself. Yeah, so you introduce yourself. You can use your country flag, your name, the stack you are learning. Are you learning a software? Are you into digital marketing or digital analyst? Which one? So to give us that. All right. Okay. All right. So we have the announcement. We have the announcement. So I know you don't have access to it, just the admins that have access to this. This is where the announcement should be delivered. All our announcements will be delivered here. So whatever we're doing, so to check it out, you can see various things. So please always read, always read, always read. Very, very important. So we have given the links for our YouTube channel, the Slido. The Discord channel is there, the GitHub form. So you fill this form before the end of the class or even before the end of tomorrow. So fill it up, please. Fill it up, very, very important. Okay. All right. So we talked about the projects. We talked about here. This is where all our projects will be um, given. So when you come here, projects. So based on the stack you're learning, or you're into, then it's into. But this channel, you don't have access to it though, but it's just for our code. Okay. All right, guys, are we live? Are we live, please? Can you confirm that we are live? I'm saying something. Can we confirm that we are live? Comments, comments. We said we should use this, or let's say in our introduction. Are we still live from your end? Are we still live from your end? Kindly check. Okay, so let me check this. Okay. So please kindly check. Are we live from your end? Are we live from your end? Are we live from your end? Kindly check. All right, all right. Um, okay, so we are still in Discord. So we talked about peer-to-peer discussion. So if you want to discuss for the software developers, so this is your discussion channel, personal discussion, like you want to discuss with somebody or you want to ask a question. So you ask that here, you ask that here. So peer-to-peer, and the personal questions you want to ask, you raise it here. Okay, so data analyst, this is yours. Digital marketers, this is yours. So we also have a meetups. So you can decide to meet up with your groups in meetup and discuss a project that was given or discuss something that you want to do. You can meet up here based on your level. So please make sure that meet up. Don't be a beginner. You go to advanced and be asking a beginner question there, please. Let's know our career. That's why we ask the question when you join. What is your level? So please. All right. So we also have so we have mid-level, we have advanced, okay, and we have this. So this is GPT model, so developer GPT model. So we have said it here that you should ensure you write your codes yourself. Just get hints. Maybe you want there's something that is confusing you. You get your hints from developer GPT. Avoid using it to write your codes. Avoid using it to write your codes. Ensure you write your codes yourself. Though we are going to detect it when we see codes written by any GPT or any AI model. So please ensure you learn it. Very, very important. Learning is very important. So don't cheat yourself. All right. So we are not giving you first position, second position. No, we are not doing that. All right. So you are doing it for yourself. So that's this channel. So it's just for you to write and get in. So I can say hey GPT. Okay. So it's gonna respond. It's gonna respond. All right. So you can ask your questions. Um, so I'm having this because of the the VPN I'm using. So I'm using VPN rather than having this. Alright, okay, alright, speak English. Alright, so that is that. Okay, so you can use it for your um, hints and all that. Alright, so guys, I'm still waiting for any question. Still waiting for any question. For now, we have only one question. Somebody asking this. Is it advisable to learn web? Okay, we'll still come back to this list. We'll come back to that. Alright, so we have that. So we have stage for all. For now, we are not starting the stage for anyone for now. So stage for all is where everyone in the three groups we can have discussion. So practical sessions will be for only one group. Alright, so stage for all is where everyone will meet and have discussion. So for now, we're not starting it. Alright, okay, so that's about the Discord. So let's go to the GitHub. So we have said it when you can read this readme documentation here and description, very, very important. So the GitHub Collabo is for student collaboration in their projects. So you can click on this link. I think it's here too. Let's click on it. Have fun. Um, just your name. So you can see the courses. Choose what you are doing. Can submit it. All right. Okay. So this project is part of the CreativeCoderJed students community. So here we'll be working together on various bits project, and everything we do will be reflected in our Discord server as we have said. So how it works. So we said whenever you commit push, open a pull request in your repository, the notification will be automatically sent also. For people that don't know what the repository is. So when you go to the first thing you're going to do is type GitHub, just GitHub. So you should have this. So join this or anyone you use, so can use join. Okay. So I've joined already, so I don't need to join them again. So that's why it's taking me here because I've joined already. So you create accounts. You create accounts. It's very, very simple. So when you create accounts, ensure the email that you give us through this, the email you give us here, ensure the email you give us in the form tallies with the email you use. So we're going to add your email to the GitHub account. So very, very important. Okay. All right. We give a form here. All right. So when you have created an account with a collaboration, okay, keep it transparent, share this, okay, get it started. Okay. So you don't need to do this if you have given us your email to fork the repository. You don't need to do it. Just click on the fork button. No, don't do it. So we will pick the email. So we send that form yesterday evening. So this was the form. I wanted you to use forking the repository, but now we just want to add you automatically so that you just start your work. You get all right. So, but if you are okay by forking, you can also fork it, and then you'll be added. So you just make a pull request, and then you'll be added. All right. Okay. All right. So make your changes. So it's very self-explanatory. You read it. For people that are not conversant with GitHub, I will advise you pick up just like you said, Google is your friend. So how to use GitHub, how to use GitHub, because it's not part of our training here. So you can look up for this. You can look up for this, or you can also use maybe look up for a video on YouTube. Just but create an account. That's very, very simple. But some other things that you can do there. Look it up. Look it up. It's not part of the course. Right. So we are assuming that we should know how to create a YouTube account. It's just like a normal social media, but just for tech people. All right. So So that's not about um, the GitHub account. So like I said, we're still waiting for questions. We're still waiting for questions. Okay. So let's go first with our first poll for the night. So what's your choice program? So guys, please, the poll is up. So we're waiting for your votes now. The poll is up. So start voting. Look for polls. Look for polls. So you're supposed to see polls. So use it to vote. We are waiting for your votes. So start voting. Start voting. Start voting. Okay. 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 All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. Okay. So please join. Vote. Join and vote. All right. Okay. So a brief look at the various areas of specialization. So for the software guys, so just like we said we are looking at the three our scope is just software development, data analysis, and digital marketing. So if you are not in those three categories, please, um, I'm sorry, you are not welcome here. Uh, maybe next time. So maybe next time you will come up. But for now, this is solely for people in these categories. All right. Okay. So for we said for the software developers, we'll be having a front end and back end somehow separated, but um, combined. Separated but combined. All right. Okay. I like that English. We somehow separated but combined. So for the front end, I'll be looking at this. So um, you have it in the video. So you look at it. We'll be looking at this. So we'll be looking at HTML, looking at CSS, we're looking at Bootstrap, Tailwind CSS. Guys, can you okay? Can we confirm that we are live? Can we confirm that we are live? Okay. I'm yet to get any vote from here. I'm yet to get any vote from here. Okay. Can we confirm that we are live, please? Can we do that? Can we do that? Can we do that? Who is here? Who is here? Who is here? Can we confirm that we are live? Can we confirm that we are live, please? Can you send either on the um, Discord or use the Slido? Just like you said, Slido is up. There's a poll that's up. So no question here yet. No question here yet. Okay. So the poll is up. Let's vote for this poll. So what's the program choice? What's the choice program? You just click on it and so you can know um, where people are. All right. So we talk about the front end. So the back end, we say we are looking at APIs and RESTful services, authentication and authorization. So databases, the SQL and NoSQL databases. All right. We'll be looking at those. Looking at server-side frameworks, error handling and logging, testing for performance, working with asynchronous codes, scalability and load balancing, microservices architecture, testing, and deployment. So we'll be looking at those. All right. Okay. So the stacks that I'll be using, we'll be looking at Node.js and Express.js, um, Applied, looking at MongoDB, MySQL, Redis, and we'll also look at stack again. I'll looking at. So I think, yeah. So we look at how to deploy on Heroku, Vercel, Render. So we look at those. We look at those how to deploy in those environments. So we understand how to do those things, right? So Firebase, we look at Firebase too, right? So those are the stuff we are doing for the back end. So we are doing APIs and RESTful services, all these things here. So that's very, very important. So for the back end guys, we'll talk about the front end guys and the back end guys. All right. So for the data analyst, um, for now, we'll be working with Excel. So we'll be analyzing with Excel, um, Power BI. All right. So we're talking about Power BI, how to visualize. So Excel, this is for introduction and basic and visualizations. We'll now use Power BI for intermediate and advanced visualizations, um, to do all those data modeling, merging, and other stuff. We'll be using Power BI. Okay, creating DAX. Okay, all right. So we'll also now venture into MySQL. Also venture into MySQL. Okay. So at the end of it though, we can, if we have time, we'll still look at R programming and SPSS. R programming and SPSS. We'll look at those two. So for R programming and SPSS, but it will be an overview. It's not on our scope, but we're just going to look at it for some reason, so that some people don't want to venture into those areas too. So for the scope, for the data analysis, our scope is Excel, Power BI, and MySQL. So we say by the end, we're going to have an overview of our programming and SPSS. Our programming and SPSS. All right. So that is that about data analysis. So for the digital marketing guys, so we're going to talk about foundations of marketing. So you will know what marketing is all about. The CEO, content marketing. Um, we'll talk about those things, social media marketing and advertising. So we'll talk about Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, TikTok, Twitter, and Matthew. Okay, so we'll learn how to do that. So we'll learn about social media advertising. So you'll learn about those stuff. We'll go to email marketing. So where we'll be using MailChimp. We'll use MailChimp to send automated mails, create landing pages, email segmentation, creation of tags, um, so all those stuff. So we'll also look at Mago and Google Script automation. So we'll also learn how to use Mago. Many of the mails you receive in the course of the program, they were sent by Mago. So I automate it and Mago will do the sending. So when you register, Mago will send it to you. So all those kind of automations, you will learn how to do it with Mago and Google Scripts. All those automations. All right. So if I still have time, okay, I may add SMS marketing, SMS marketing, SMS marketing. So we're going to use multi-tester, multi-tester. So we're using multi-tester. So you have many that you can use for your SMS marketing. But I think for in African region, this is more conversant. So we have other ones that you can sync device. Okay. So we'll look at HubSpot, how to use it. Okay. So we'll create Google ads, Facebook ads using a business Facebook. Create A/B testing, CROs, reliable ads. All right. So advanced digital marketing tools. So we're going to look at those. So we're going to use poster plan and buffer. We're going to use poster plan and buffer. Okay. So we're going to use poster plan and buffer. So those are tools that we use to send in automated scheduled social media. So these are the tools and the platforms you are going to learn and install. So I will advise maybe you start installing some of them now. All right. So Google Analytics is not a tool. So Tag Manager is not a tool. It's a web version, so you can get it online. So I think okay. Everything's online. So just create an account on them. Just create an account on them. If you have a Canva account, Hotjar can create a Hotjar account too. If you have a Gmail already, you can just create Google Analytics account in that. So that's for the data analysis. All right. So we are still waiting for votes. We are still waiting for votes and questions. Votes and questions. Votes and questions. Votes and questions. Okay. 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 So we are waiting. We are waiting. So guys, let's begin on answer. Let's begin on answer. Let's begin on answer. So quick stack, did you register for? Quick stack, did you register for? You need to know it. You need to know it. Okay. So we are waiting. We are waiting. We are waiting. We are waiting. All right. All right. So please, our Discord channel is very active. That's where everything will be done. Like I said, so you must be active here. You must be active here. You must be active. Okay. All right. All right. Yeah. Yeah. So we are waiting for vote here. We're waiting for vote here. We just received just one vote. Just one vote. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So we just received one vote. We need more votes. We need more votes. Okay. We are still waiting for more votes. If you are joined, please. Yeah. We need more votes. Yeah. We need more votes. So what's the choice program? What's the choice program? Which program have you chosen? So um you choose it so that we can know um how people are choosing this. So let's have you. Let's have you. Let's have you. Let's have you. Okay. All right. So likely we'll go to the second poll. We'll go to the second poll. So we are closing this. We are closing this. We might open it later, but let's close this for now. So we are going for the second poll. So guys, the second poll is up. Second poll is up. So what's the current experience level in tech? Are you a beginner? Are you an intermediate? Are you advanced? Are you advanced? Okay. So what's your level? What's the level? What's the level? So let's choose. Let's choose. Let's choose. Let's choose. What's the level? What's the level? Okay. 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 So we're waiting for the votes. Keep the votes coming. Keep the votes coming. Okay. All right. All right. Okay. So let's have the votes coming. Keep the votes coming. Keep the votes coming. Keep the votes coming. Okay. All right. So can you use the question and answer? Can you just give us a hint whether you are hearing us? Are you hearing us very well? Are you hearing us very well? So please let's you can ask your question. You use the ask. There should be an ask button from your end. You can ask a question. So here we can see that people are answering beginner. Yeah, we have beginners. So that's great. That's great. That's good. That's great. That's great. Okay. So we have some people that answered that. Yeah. Yes. Keep it on going. Keep it on going. Your votes. Keep it on going. Keep it on going, guys. All right. Yeah. Keep it on going. Keep it on going. Okay. So can you keep your vote coming? Can you keep your vote coming? You want to get a real data so you will know. Um, we have we have more people that are joining this program. So can you vote? Click the vote. Click the vote. All right. All right. All right. Let's do that. Let's do that very fast. We just have one vote for this. So what's your current experience level? Are you a beginner, intermediate, or advanced? What's your current level? Okay. So we are using Slido. We have sent the link here. We are joining us from YouTube live. So we could not send the link to YouTube live. So we said everything we are doing will be done through Discord. So please, we have sent the link here. We have sent all the links here. So you must join our Discord channel. We are not using YouTube. YouTube is just for our videos. So our communications are done in Discord. So please ensure you are here. Ensure you're here. If you're not here, drop a message on the um drop a message in the YouTube. We will share it with you, but not in the YouTube. Okay? Alright. Okay. Okay, so the video now is it better now? Seeing Cristiano, it says blood. Mr. Positive, is it blood from your end also? Can you confirm? Can you confirm on the YouTube? Or if you are, you should be in the Discord as Cristiano, you should be in the Discord channel because I can see you, you are there. So why is it that you've not joined with your Discord? You are offline in Discord. Why? So you should be. This is our communication channel. We don't use YouTube. YouTube Live is just for um, live messages, maybe just send messages. Another place we can take communication is Slido. So this is still on. We are still waiting for votes. Still waiting for votes. Guys, let's give our votes. Let's give our votes. Okay. Okay. Is it better now? Is it better now? Let's confirm. Is it better now? Let's confirm, please. Let's confirm. Let's confirm. Let's confirm. Let's confirm. Okay. Can we confirm that? Okay, we still have one vote here. Can we give up our vote, please? I know it's somehow around 5 in the evening in your area. Some people, some people from Africa. Um, we have to use that time so that we can accommodate people in other continents. That should be a breaking point time. Should be a breaking point time. All right. So please, um, even though you are coming up later, when you come up later, you you have to join the Discord channel. You watch the videos again, whatever that you have missed. Very important. Very important. So please, we are still waiting. We are waiting. We are waiting. We are waiting. Okay, we are waiting. Okay, so we will go to the next poll. So the next poll, the we are stopping this. We are stopping this. Okay, so we are going to the next poll. So that's our EduTech model. For some people, this is your first time of meeting us, but some people here, it's not their first time of meeting us. So that's our edu model, our tech model. So just like we said, we run an EduTech specialist organization through the channel CreativeCoderJed. So you can rate us for now. Some of you don't know us, but some people know us. Um, we have been in this for over 5 years. So we might call ourselves that we are good for it. We are made for it. We are created for it. So that is it. That is it. Okay, so that's good from Mr. Positive. He said it's clear from his end. Okay, okay. Cristiano, he said it's good now. So I guess that's great. That's great. That's great. Okay, what of the voice? What of the voice? Can you hear the voice? Is it okay from your end? What of the voice? Can you confirm the voice? So you Cristiano, Mr. Positive, I'm yet to see your vote. Can you vote? Can you vote? Use the link. The link is there. We have the link. We have the link. Can you vote? Try to do that, please. Let's vote. Let's vote. Let's vote. One thing is that you can't be shy in such a program. You understand? We created the model in a way that everybody is inclusive. So please don't be shy. Don't be shy. The link to the poll at me, Cristiano. The link to the poll. We said you must join. You must join the Discord. That's where everything is. We don't have any other place to share that. You understand? We don't have any other place to share that. We said it. All our programs are done through Discord. So please try and join the Discord. We have sent you that mail. You join through mail, so we have sent you that mail. Very, very important. Very, very important. So please join. When you join through the mail, you'll be directed to this Discord server. So the announcements, all those links are there. Please, we have talked about it that when you come, so you fill this form. Please, guys, don't forget, fill this form. This is where you fill your email and your GitHub account. But first of all, we have said it that you go to GitHub, so github.com. You create an account. It's very simple. Just follow the screen instruction. You create an account. So you create an account there. Yeah, keep the votes coming. Keep the votes coming. We are waiting for the votes. It's a bit bad tonight. Okay. So you create an account. When you create an account, they will require your email. When you do that, after you've done that, the email you use for your registration, you click on this form, put the email inside. It's very, very important. If you don't add your email here, you can't be added to the GitHub. We are going to add you here. So for now, if you look here, um, we will add you by ourselves. So if you send a pull request, that will be second choice consideration, but we want to add you by yourself. We want to know that you are from our end. So you'll be a collaborator. We are going to add you as a collaborator to our project. Okay. Okay. So now you can see this is my second account acting as one of the collaborators for this account. So we must add you here. So you must be here. You must be here. You must be here. All right. So I don't know who is this. Who is this? Okay. All right. So when you come, you just create an account. I've created already. It's very, very simple. Just create your accounts. Okay, okay. So keep the votes coming, please. Keep the votes coming. Keep the votes coming. All right, that's good. So we are having some votes there. All right. So thank you very much, Mr. Positive. I can hear that the voice is also clear. That's nice. That's nice. All right. Okay. All right. So that's that, guys. Okay. So please let's fill those forms. This fill it up. So this is the Discord channel. I don't know if you can copy it. I don't have access to it from copying it and putting it on the YouTube live now. So I don't know if you can pick it up from the screen there. You can pick it up on the screen. And someone should help and put it on the can help and put it on Discord or no on the um Slido. Yeah, Slido. Just put it on the Slido. All right. Okay. So please let's do that. Let's do that. Let's do that. All right. So those are the criteria so that when we start normal classes, we will remind these things again. So we will remind these things again. That's why we're taking our time to do it. So please and please, please and please. Okay, you said you have seen it. Oh, that's good. All right, that's good. Okay, okay. So that's good. All right. So um, okay. So guys, we also have I also have this link. So this link is a blog. So for the software developers, especially the software developers. Okay, but for everyone though, I will update the site. This is my personal blog. So if you go here for the people that in software development, I think for now they are more advantage in that. So I have some um, blog posts here on how to install some of the required tools. So I the tools you require for this. Let me see if it is here. Let's select the tools. Okay, not here. Okay. So the tools required for now, you are going to for the software developers, um, software developers. Okay, so I know some people have this already. So just download VS Code and install. Download Node.js and install. Um, download Git and install, please. These are the things to do. I will still update my blog for these three things on how to install them. So I will see. So later you check the blog site, it will be here. So let me copy the blog site and also place it there. You can check here. So okay, so download those three things for the software developers. All right. For data analysts, I have placed yours already. Yours is there already. So I started this blog for them. Okay, so how to download Power BI is here. So simply just download to download Power BI. You can use your store. If you're using your Windows, Microsoft Store, if you click on it, you should see Power BI or you just write Power BI download. Alright, so you should see download Power BI official. So you go there, download it based on your system, 64-bit, 32-bit. You download it. It's very simple to install. You install it. You should have this Power BI here. So this Power BI desktop, this is how it looks like. It should be like this in your system. So it's very simple to add, download, and install it. Very simple. So for you, you need a Power BI. So yeah. So we said for data analyst, VS Code, VS Code, Power BI, Excel 219 and above. So please don't use anything less than 219 because for the only whatever we're going to do, we're going to be using 219, 220, 221. Preferably if you can get 221, that would be best. But if you can't get 219, is still okay. We can run some things with it. Oh, okay. So you need those for now. So those are the things. So for software development, yours, just these three. For you data analyst, just this. Okay. So for digital marketers, you're not downloading anything, as I said. So you're just going to create accounts. So create account with Hotjar. So just create account with Hotjar and then Buffer. For now, create account with Hotjar and Buffer. But if I'm you, I will just create account with all these things. Already you have Facebook Manager. You can also create with MailChimp. So we'll look at those stuff. Can create a Buffer and poster plan. You should have a Canva account. If you don't have it, create one also. So Canva is just for creating designs. So very, very important. All right. So that is that. Okay. Guys, vote, is this still coming? Okay, we still have the same two votes. Can we keep voting? Can we keep voting? All right. We need more votes. Let's know. Okay, so let me open this. Can we open this again? Let's open all the current experience levels so we can have more. Okay, so let's vote your current experience level. Are you a beginner, intermediate, or advanced? So very, very important. Very, very important. So let's know how many beginners that we have among us, how many intermediates, and how many gurus, the babas, the big boys. So how many do we have? All right. So the program is for all. That's why we have interactive and sections. So very, very important. So please let's do that. Let's do that. Let's do that. Let's do that. All right. So as we are waiting for that, if you have any question, so please, Mr. President, can you please use the Slido for questions? So please, I am using two screens, I know, but I don't want to be replying you on YouTube. We have arranged this program to use Slido. So please just go to your Slido. You should have a screen, not like mine. I'm the creator, so yours should be something similar to this. So you should have Q&A, and here you should have polls. So use your Q&A question and answer. You ask a question, your question should come in like this, something like this. So it should come in something like this. So this person is asking, is it advisable to language development? Yeah, it's advisable. Yes, it is. Okay. But tasky. So it's tasky and time. It's time dependent or requires your time. Time is there, so you need time and time intensive. Okay. Choose what you can do. Please do. I will advise. Highest should be two programs. So I will advise two programs, but you can do three. You're not restricted, but I will advise that you do two programs. Okay. Okay. So please let's keep our questions. So now we have the ability to ask questions. The floor is open here. So use your Slido link, please. Ask the questions And if someone asks a question, you can upvote it or downvote it. So we have shown it before, how to upvote a question. So when you come to a question, you should see the normal thumb up. So that's upvoting. Upvoting means you are supporting the question or you like the question. And votes that have the highest upvotes usually show on top. So that means the question will come up on top. We can have it. All right. So your questions now, please can you put your questions now, whatever that is you want to know about the program is bothering you, just say it now, ask it now. Um, we are going to trash it. So please, now is question, 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 question. Yeah, 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 yeah. Question. If you have your questions, can you drop your questions on the Slido link, please? We have dropped the Slido link in the Discord account, the server, Discord server. So it's there. So we shared it to you. We'll also send you a mail and also SMS of people in Africa. We send an SMS to them. All right. The admin, one of the admins sent SMS to them. So they have a message also SMS. So please, 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 please use the Slido link. Use the Slido link for the questions. Use the Slido link for the questions. Okay. The questions. Can you ask your questions? Can you ask your questions? Okay. If I don't see any question, I will move on. So can we have the questions? Can we have the questions? Questions, the questions. Let's ask questions, please. All right. So guys, the least I forget. So let's the people that joined late, we go to the YouTube, please read about our rules of engagement, please. We don't want anyone to disobey it. We don't want anyone to do anything that will harm our community. We are running just like people in Web3, it says community based. So they are running community based edutech training model. So we don't want anybody to be hurt. So please, please, no form of um, spam, no form of intimidation, harassment will be tolerated. Please, please, we will not tolerate that. We will not tolerate that. So please go to your YouTube also. Don't forget, guys. Um, like, follow us so that whenever you have a call, you should see that when you be starting. So please, very, very important. Very, very important. Okay. Alright. So please, let's do that also. Subscribe to the channel and like the video. And next time, whenever I upload this video, it is on the Discord. Very, very important. Very, very important. Question, any question, we are waiting for the question. Waiting for the question. Your question. Your question. Waiting for the question. Okay. Okay. So you can't see any question for now. See that what we have said is right. Because I would like to ask questions. I know some of the questions there will be next time. Okay. Question. Please ask your question. So please don't come to Nigeria to the people that are running technology, even though you have my WhatsApp, maybe please, 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 let's maintain that relationship. Make sure that communication the communication is very, very important. So please, please, let's try a little bit to maintain that thing. take home. Very, very important. Very important. Okay. So for digital marketers, what I learned and for you guys, digital marketers register with MailChimp. Um, make your social media accounts live. So if you don't have a TikTok account, please go and create one. If you don't have a Facebook account, create one. If you don't have a LinkedIn account, create one. Twitter, recently called X, create one. Instagram, create one. So please, very, very important. Let's do that. Okay. All right. So if we don't have any question, I will assume that we are okay. We are okay. We are okay. So please, let's not forget what we are asked to do. So the next class should be by Monday. So the class and model will be sent to the groups. So the people that will start first will be software developers based on the votes that we are having. So that's why we ask for the votes to know people that will have the first class. So the first class will be for software developers. So for the people that register for software developers, Monday will be a time for you. So we'll join same time. So but communication will be also in the Discord channel. And please let's not forget what we're asked to do. We are asked to register with GitHub, everyone in the three programs. Register with GitHub, fill the email that you use in registration and your GitHub username. Use this form, fill it up so that we can add you to the project repository. So these are project repositories. So you just create a channel. When you come, please read this thing very well. Read the readme very well. What I want to do, because you don't go and create something that's not similar. The bot will not mark your work. So it should be like this. So it should be name and the program you registered. If you have multiple programs, you separate them with comma. If you have selecting all the core programs, you use all. So Solomon all like that. Make sure you're having the hyphen like that. And for program name, make sure you're using underscore like this. So very, very important. Very, very important. Okay. All right. All right. So if there is none, let's check also. Is there any question? Okay. So still no question. So we assume that we assume that we are okay. So please we'll be calling it a night or a day, depending on where you are watching from. Okay, so before we do that, we'll remind us for the software developers, Monday is another time. So please and please, just like the way you open your WhatsApp, your Facebook, your social media, your Discord should be like that. So we can be sending you mails all the time. Though sometimes we might send you mails, we can automate mails, but it's not an assurance because we have given you Discord a platform for communication. So please and please, your eyes will be here 247 for projects, 247 for projects. You wake up in the morning after your prayers and everything, whatever you are doing, you check. Anytime you stay, you check. So please and please, very, very important. We'll be dropping things for you projects, questions, and etc. So all of them will be here. So very, very important. And at this juncture, before we call it an end, uh, we also want to solicit so you can support the creator. Yeah, you can support the creator. So do not hesitate to show us appreciation. We have developed this model. It's, it's a great model. So it took us many things, resources and all that. So you can support us. So just go to the blog page we talked about today. There is it. So down you will see this here, this link, buy me coffee. So just use it. and send something to the guys. So you just put your name, your mail, and maybe you are putting $20,000 for us. That's great. So you can pay. You can pay. All right. So that's very, very important. So please support us. Support us. We are doing the work of the community. So we are working for the community. So in anyhow, do support us. All right. So at this juncture, we will call it an end. We'll call it an end from here. So since we did not get second questions, we got votes for okay. So for this, okay. So we had beginners 50%, intermediate 50%. Okay. Okay, that's good. That's good. So we don't have advanced yet. Okay. 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 So program. So people chose that. Okay. So more people are for. We don't have a listing for now. For the moment, that chose. So some people are here, but they are not in this. So everyone that joined without joining the Slido, please. That's the rule of engagement. We are not going to use YouTube to communicate with you. It's Slido. Sorry, Discord, the channel. While on the calls, anytime we're having on the call, we'll be using our Slido for in-call communication, not YouTube. So very, very important. So please um, register in all those platforms. All right. So, ladies and gentlemen, we will call it an evening or a night, depending on where you are watching us from. So, thank you very much for the first day. Looking forward to seeing you. Do have a great time. Thank you.